What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. Me there than a bang of people. And if I see from the title, see we dealing with today. We got Intence First Lady. Come in, let's get it. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Gang, that mafia, what go on? What not deal with? Yeah, man, people, what go on? I hope everybody feeling good today. You know, everybody alright. I hope y'all been drinking your water. I hope y'all been staying healthy, taking care of yourself. All of that, you see me? I don't know what time it is. Yeah, guys, you see from the title, you see what we're doing today, man. Yeah, this artist we always react to on the channel. You see me, and today drop a new song. Been a minute. He been chilling for a minute. Maybe he was on vacation. We don't know. You see me, but yeah, man, Intence. You see me, he's back in the building. Yeah, man, back in the music lab. He drop a new song. You see me, Intence First Lady. You see me, I say, yeah, I don't know. I'm probably talking about his mom, you know what I'm saying? From what I'm getting, First Lady. You know, First Lady sound like a mother, you know, or something. You see me? But yeah, we're going to check it out and see what I'm going. But you don't know Intence, you know, very talented, you see me? So I don't want to hold up the vibes much longer, guys. We'll jump right in the track. You feel me? Yeah. Guys, tell me what to react to next. You see me? You don't know. I've been telling y'all lately, you tell me what to react to. You see me? If I choose the song, you see me, I'm gonna give you a shout out, put your name up somewhere on the screen. You see me, and at the beginning of every song, every video, you see me, I'm gonna show the comments, scroll your name. So if you wanna see a name, comment, suggest something, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you all a shout out and stay tuned for you know, we got giveaways and stuff coming while the channel grows. So you wanna stay tuned, definitely, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, we ain't gonna hold up the vibes much longer. You know, if you're new to the channel, you know if you do sub up. Come in, man, latest channel on YouTube. I wanna play with the thing. Sub up, man. I'm here, man. Yeah, man. Let's check out the song right now. It's Intence First Lady. Let's get it.
Good afternoon, Miss Brown. This is Tim Matthews. Report from the school.
How is he doing in school?
Well, he's not doing well as I want him to do. He play around and idle in class.
That's not good. That's the worst thing, you know, man. That's the last thing you want your teacher to tell your mother, you know, that when she come to school, you know. Say, yeah, I go and play around, you know. And they must spend money for your school fee. Ja. You want to beat in that, you know, man.
Look, boy, that must send you come to school for. You know, so hard me at work. I mean, know you can do better. Why you come to school at Eagle?
Why? Don't do it, though. I go to school and take on a lesson. You see me and say? Yeah. Me know enough. I heard First Lady, bro. You know what I'm saying? We know not talk about the blow up president's wife. You know what I'm saying? So I have to be mother. You see me? I have to be mother. Yo, dog, got the young schoolboy look. How the blows? Wait, Intence cut him here? That look clean still, man. Nah, lie. That look like I heard this video I shoot long time because man look like say yo him actually go back in the age, dog. Yeah, man. 50 dog still, yeah, man.
Big them up. What's that, Bucky? Yeah, mother, my mother, yeah, mother. My mother, yeah, mother, my mother, they got my mother.
Yeah, man, Mother's Day I come up too. What you mean? Big up yourself, Intence. Big up all of the mothers, them. You see me? Big up all of the mothers. Big up your mother. Everybody mother, but most special man take this time to big up my mother. You see me? I say, mommy, you don't know, love you always. You don't know. I say a word, big up yourself. You see me? You don't know a boy there, you know? Yeah, man. Grandmother too, big up yourself. You see me? Love you, know. Take care upon a special day. You know what I'm saying? Mad.
Your mother, my mother, yeah. Mommy, on you are the queen in our yard. Mommy, are the queen in our life. And any other girl step aside. Your mommy, are the queen in our life. Tell any other girl step aside. Can't pay your back, but move the buy on your life. Some
mommy, you're queen in my life. Tell every other girl step aside. Can't pay your back, but hey.
Big women stop yet to yourself for buy. Hey, mommy, oh, me love it to me heart. God know me what I do if me not talk. Couldn't make you stress and try to buy you when you want. Suffer from when you want, for love if you do that, mama.
Easy no man, real tune them a dog. Gonna easy no, yo, now you me here. Boy, Intence in dog come back with something with substance. You see me? Dog, man, I don't know what kind of meds the dog have. You see me, or what he's going through or whatever, but came back with some with substance. I like that. Yeah, man, mad. You know, right now, Mother's Day time too, mad.
Yeah, I'm one of the strongest. Got your liberty, that's to feed the family. Say anything me give you, give me there, but when you thank me, call you this more than that, just because you know fancy. My cherry and 6 on me, and that no easy for mommy. Man, on you.
Dog look clean with your haircut, you know that. Yeah, man. Big up the tune, man. A big tune this. Mummy, you see me, big up yourself. I don't know, love you always. So, yo, big up on the mother. So make sure you take care and make sure the mother alright. You know what I'm saying? You see me? Yeah, man.
And wait and still a figure it. Respect when your name, not trying to love. I'm more like interlink. So, if you take your space, me no see nothing, no synonyms. Yeah, mommy, I the queen in my life. Tell any other girl to step aside. Can't pay your Bible, I'm gonna buy you out tonight. Some big women that stop here to you.
That's it, me can't pay your Bible, I'm gonna buy you what?
Tell any other girl to step aside. Can't pay your Bible, I'm gonna buy you out tonight. Some big women that stop here to yourself for buy. Yeah, mommy, oh, me love that to me heart. God know me what I do if me not talk.
Dumb. Yeah, I mean, man. You have to make your mother know, man.
Make a stress and try to buy you when you want. Suffer for when you grew up. For love, if you do that, mama. Remember when we couldn't find the right spot. Mommy make a bag of sacrifice in life, yo. She know anything for make sure and something good. I remember when she said me out to Sunday school. I might touch the road of the Satans, but
yo, easy now, man. Easy, man. Man say might touch the road of the Satans, but hey, easy. Good song, I'm not supposed to, cause you see me, big up that song I'm mad, man. Yeah, man. Yo, that's a favorite youth where I grew up and I know say I always have a caring mother. And all mother are caring. Some man, you know, all women are good mother still, you know. But when you're a good mother and take care of you, you see me, big up yourself. Big man thing, yeah.
oh, mommy, dedication made me stay strong. Yeah, more my life, no explanation. Full stop with a big exclamation. You see the opinion of mad me for me. And she me calm down, my body, she am a J. Paid the 9 months, my day in her belly. She never ever bring it, safe and dash my way. Yeah, mommy, I the queen in my life. Tell any other girl to step aside.
Easy now, man. All the hard working, man. All the mother. I like the video, man. Man, I grown and I like this video. What y'all think about this one, yo? That man family know one thing about that one. Right now, this song mad. The video mad. I like what they doing. They going around to all the mothers. Yeah, you see me? I see everybody from the police, someone new in the store, the lady in the markets. They might grow into all of the mother them. Because you see me, at the end of the day, the job, but they might do no matter. But what matter is the fact that them dead and take care of them youth and dead for the family. Yeah, you see me, pick up a mother them. All a good mother there. See a lady there in the market, so I sell her goods to make sure she have a family. Pick up yourself, man. You don't know how much kids you probably have put to school or whatever. And yeah, see me, big up yourself, mommy.
I'm pay your Bible, I'm gonna buy you out tonight. Some big women that stop here to yourself for buy. Yeah, mommy, oh, me love that to me heart. God know me.
All the shopkeeper them, oh, you mean, man? Yeah, come in.
What I do if me not talk. Couldn't make a stress and try to buy you when you want. Suffer for when you grew up. For love, if you do that, mama. Hey, mother them. Mother them person gone.
I like the video mad. The video is a wholesome video. You see me? Yeah, man, and you see me, you might get distracted because you see Intence so you don't have a tattoo, or you might distract you and don't even pay attention to the video I say, dog. Yeah, man, the video is nice.
Yeah, mother, my mother, yeah, mother. My mother, yeah, mother, my mother, they go. My mother, yeah, mother, my mother. My mother, yeah.
Easy, no, man. Yo, I like this video. This video nice. Yeah, man. This is, yeah, but big up yourself, Intence. Yeah, this shit put us all of years, but this was awesome. Yeah, man, I like this. People won't think about that one. Yeah, you see me? And all the time, yeah, some of you have a little and talk about one, but I chopping and this and that. So it was a wholesome, some with substance. Yeah, man, I like this, man. Intence. Big up yourself, dog. When I remember them say you're versatile, you can talk.
If I King Cam shoot this, it's not shoot good, brother.
Yeah, man, big up yourself. King Cam shoot some mad video too, you know. I like
You're
this.
free.
I like the concept of the video. I like the lyrics. I like the song, the melody, everything. It's a big song. You see me? Yeah, man. Remember me, I see Sister Kalanji, mama. You see me? Thank you, man. Yeah, man. That mad dog. So, you know, nobody come at me in the comment section. I said it's not bad like that. What I'm saying is, you see me just mind me of that song for some reason, you know? Yeah, man, big up yourself, Intence. Right now, time for the Mother's Day. You see the mothers, them are gonna love this. Yeah, you see me? Big up all like mother, them. Yeah, you see me? When you don't know, I want to bring the world, you know. You see me? Because everybody in the world have to come through a woman left the on earth. So big up all like mother, them. You see me? Without none of them, none of we can there at the end of the day. You see me? So, yeah, man. So, you don't know, guys, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. And, you know, let me know what you want to react to next and I'll get it done. You see me? Yo, happy Mother's Day to everybody. Big up on the mother them. Big up my mother. Sivan, everywhere there. Love you, mommy. You don't know what time it is. Yeah, man, I chat to you so, mommy. Love you anywhere there. Hopefully you see the video. You see me? Big up your damn self. Yeah, me G. Love you. Take care of yourself. Till next time, guys. Take care. It's your boy Jambisco. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.